I'm putting chestnuts into boiling water. This way, I make the most eco-friendly laundry detergent in the world. Moreover, you can make it for free. It's safe for allergy sufferers and the sensitive skin of young children. It can even handle the toughest stains. Whenever I find chestnuts in the autumn, I take them home. They have brilliant cleaning properties. Initially, we put them in a pot and boil them for 15 minutes. Then we cut the shell and extract the white flesh. I remove the husks carefully. This is important if you want to use the liquid for washing white clothes as well. I put them in a jar and pour in warm water. After 2 hours, we strain the chestnuts. I put them in a blender and add a glass of water. I blend thoroughly. Then I strain the remaining chestnut residues from the liquid using a sieve. The prepared liquid can be stored for a maximum of 4 days in the refrigerator. We use it just like regular laundry detergents. Pour it into the drum or the washing machine's detergent drawer. Common chestnut fruits contain saponins, which are chemical compounds with foaming and cleaning properties. When they come into contact with water, saponins start foaming, which is why they work fantastically during washing. Chestnuts effectively deal with food stains, grease, and all kinds of contaminants. Recipe for fabric softener for a few cents. You'll never have to buy it in the store again. Homemade fabric softener is cheap, eco-friendly, and your clothes will be soft and fragrant. Grate a bar of gray soap on a grater with large holes. Pour 4 liters of warm water into a large bowl. Then, add the soap flakes to it. Mix it all together. Soap has cleansing and antibacterial properties. It doesn't contain fragrances, dyes, or preservatives, so it's safe for children and people with very sensitive skin. When the soap flakes dissolve, add hydrated lime to the bowl. You can buy it at drugstores. Take half a cup and add it to the bowl. Lime is a natural cleaning agent that helps with cleaning. Next, add half a cup of baking soda. It removes stains from grease, blood, or dirt. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mixture. This will make your laundry smell lovely. Just a few drops are enough. Mix it all together. When the mixture cools down, pour it into a 5-liter bottle. A regular water bottle works perfectly. It will be easy to dispense and store the liquid from it. After an hour, the mixture will thicken. This is a sign that it's ready to use. I use this homemade fabric softener for every wash. Just pour a measure and add it to the drum. The ingredients in it will make your clothes incredibly soft. Even the toughest stains will disappear, and you won't have to spend money on expensive fabric softeners anymore. Plumbers don't want you to know this recipe. I sprayed the toilet with it, and I no longer have sewage problems. Don't throw citrus peels in the trash. It turns out they are a priceless ingredient. Chop them into smaller pieces and put them in a blender. Blend into a fine paste. They have cleansing properties. Then strain it through a sieve. Press it with a spoon to extract the juice. This is what we need. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to it. Then add 3 tablespoons of liquid soap and a tablespoon of salt. The next ingredient is alcohol. Add 3 tablespoons of it. When all these ingredients are combined, they create a truly effective mixture. Prepare a spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into it. This prepared mixture is invaluable for sewer maintenance. It removes deposits and scale. This product can remove yellow stains from plastic toilet parts. It takes care of unclogging sewer pipes. It prevents the accumulation of deposits in their internal parts. It is also great for cleaning bathroom ceramics. The salt and soda in its composition disinfect. Citrus fruits whiten the surface. The bathroom is clean and fragrant. The sewer works efficiently, and you avoid exposure to toxic chemicals.
Pour aspirin with fabric softener. These 2 products work wonderfully together, and you'll stop wasting money on something you can make for half the price. To make it happen, here's what you need to do. Take 3 aspirin tablets. If you have expired aspirin tablets, use them. Place them on a piece of paper towel and wrap them. Crush them with a pestle. Pour the aspirin powder into a large container and add 2 cups of hot water. Dissolve the powder in water. Add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Then add 2 caps of any fabric softener and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Add another 2 cups of water. It can be cold. Mix well and pour everything into a bottle. I used an empty bottle from fabric softener. Make a hole in the cap with a wine opener. This will make it easier to use this liquid. You can also transfer the liquid to a bottle with a sprayer. Here's the best product for cleaning floors. If you have dirty panels, use it. This liquid removes stains and dirt. It disinfects the floor surfaces. At the same time, it smells nice, but its scent repels insects. You can also use it to clean the bathroom floor, especially for cleaning around the toilet. You can use it in any room and enjoy a clean, shiny floor. Add salt to the dishwashing liquid. You definitely haven't tried this method yet. The results are amazing. You'll surely want to try this method at home right away. Measure 200 milliliters of dishwashing liquid and pour it into a container. It can be any liquid you use at home. Add 2 large tablespoons of salt. Salt is not just a seasoning, it is also a valuable agent for fighting dirt, deposits, and burnt residues. Also, add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda not only cleans, but also disinfects. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of water. Mix all the ingredients. When everything is mixed, pour the mixture into a bottle. Use a funnel for this. A bottle with a spout from any beverage works best. The mixture has its unique properties. Salt and soda added to the dishwashing liquid turn it into a super liquid. I mostly use it in the kitchen. When the bottoms of pots get slightly burnt and dirty, I use this liquid. This product will deal with them perfectly. It's perfect for that. You don't have to use a lot of it. The dishes will be clean and shiny. It's an inexpensive and simple recipe, but incredibly effective. Try it at home, and you'll quickly see for yourself. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom.